Hey guys, J6.4, Opkee investors, small account traders. Whatever you call me, just don't call me a financial advisor because here you're not going to get financial advice. The only thing that we do is we put the gurus and all the algorithms to the test to see what works with real money in real time on small accounts. So let's get right to it. Oh, how did we do this week? And this is November 14th. 2025. So how did we do this week? This is Friday. I want to show you first our $100,000 Darwinex account. As you can see, we started this account at the first of the month, November 2025, and as you can see, it's up 3%, which is fantastic, absolutely fantastic for a larger account. When it comes to our MTO goals, as you know, 2% a month is fantastic for a $100,000 account. So we're under the philosophy of 224. So 2% a month, that's non-compounding, and 24% a year, which would be great with very little drawdown or pullback. Let me show you what I mean by that. Look at our drawdown right here, only 2.1%. Wow. Now, if you look at the volatility of the general market, we get more pullback than that. All things being relative, that is. Let's see what we did this week. As you know, we like MyFXBook because it does keep track. It's a third party that keeps track of how we're trading, what the drawdown is, and the performance in general. But this week, 2.1%. You remember our MTO goal? We would be happy with a very small drawdown. We would be happy with 2% a month. So that's respect. And guys, this is our Ox Security. This is one of the brokers that we use. We always test over different brokers because they have different spreads, different commissions, and the data flow, the liquidity providers are totally different as well. So when we look at the Ox Securities one, and we still had a pretty good week. And you can see though, look at this drawdown, only 1%. So this is a very conservative, so far, it's a very conservative algorithm. So with a 1% drawdown, we still have a gain of over 12%. But what did it do this week? This week, 2.75. So you can just add to that to see what it did the week before, because for the month it's still up 3%. So it had a slow month. But this year, which started the end of September, again, is 12%. So those are some pretty good returns with this type of risk. Now, how did that compare with the broader market? You already know this. Am I in Bitcoin? Yes, but I'm more of a trader than I am an investor. I have Bitcoin for my grandkids and their fun. But of course, when it comes to more predictable, I know what Michael Saylor says. Saylor, I think that's his name, Michael Saylor. He still thinks that it'll be $150,000 a coin. I don't own a coin. I do not own a coin. I did not pay $100,000, but I did buy in when it was at $100,000 last year. This time, it was 110. So I'm down for that whole year. So my robots, my algorithms, my systems are outperforming the Bitcoin. And even if Bitcoin did, just say Bitcoin went up to a mil, that's only 10x. And, well, if it went up to a mil by 2030, or I think that's what Katie says there, around 2030 or 2035. But for me, again, it's for my grandkids. And let's look at the broader market, which is the Dow Jones. And you know, today on Friday, it opened at a gap. What a gap simply means is when it closed yesterday, it opened lower than the close. That's it. So it's trying to recover today. I don't know if it is or not. We have a couple more hours, 3 more hours, I think, before the close. But these are the predictive indicators. They think it's still going to close down below yesterday's close. So, guys, if you want to keep up with this throughout the week, what we're trading, what we're testing, how it's working, good, bad, or ugly, join our free Patreon. You'll get more information there. And if you want to copy a couple of those, details will be in there as well. Go out there and make some real money. Peace.